mathematics, the top one, if there was a mathematical equation, 2x is one term, y is another term, z is another term. So we have a mathematical equation with left side containing two terms and right side containing one term. In chemical equation, if you just compare them in equivalent sense, each term here is a molecule. So we have two molecule at left side and one molecule at right side.
I thought that in hydrogen, I mean in water,
Yeah,
there was only one oxygen.
two hydrogen and one oxygen. Yes.
So why did you write O2?
Yeah, that's a very good question. Because when we use oxygen gas we usually find in nature, it is
Yeah,
connected this way.
O2.
Two oxygen atom combining together making one oxygen molecule.
Okay.
But we cannot write the whole chemical equation this way. We have to make sure number of atoms at left side is equal to number of atoms at right side. So what we do is we just check. We have two oxygen atom at left but one oxygen atom at right. So to make it equal, we can write a 2 in front of the whole water molecule. Now check it. How many hydrogen and oxygen molecule are there on the right side? Two hydrogen, uh, two oxygen and four hydrogen, because 2 times 2 is 4. Now our
Yeah.
hydrogen molecule became double. So to balance this, we write another 2 in front of the hydrogen. Now check that. We have 4 hydrogen molecule, 2 oxygen molecule, and at the right side we have 4 hydrogen molecule and 2 oxygen molecule. And this thing is called balancing the chemical equation. Okay, and now let's show you another comparison. In mathematics, I told you x is the x is the variable, right?
Yeah.
And the number multiplied with the variable 2, that is a coefficient. This 2, this 2 is also coefficient, but this coefficient has a special name, and that name is stoichiometric coefficient. The term stoichiometric, it may seem confusing to you, but we have a whole chapter on stoichiometry where we will discuss the calculation, the amount of different substance from chemical reaction.
Okay.
So I just brought this mathematical equation thing just because we have learned that not very long before. So these
Yeah.
things are quite similar, just the equation part. But think about mathematical equation. What happens in real life, we can convert it to the equation. For example, if you get x taka bonus and some of your friend get y taka bonus, and you know the whole amount total sum is 100, we write it this way: x plus y is equal to 100. And that the same thing in chemical equation, it is from the real life incident. So what happened here, oxygen and hydrogen have a reaction that produces water, and that thing, that incident, is called reaction. Clearly it is a chemical reaction. So what happens in chemical reaction, explaining that with equation, is chemical equation. and equating the number of atoms at left and right side of any chemical equation is called balancing of the equation.